Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in the Zoom app. Whether you're connecting with colleagues, attending a virtual class, or catching up with friends, knowing how to quickly join a Zoom meeting is essential for staying connected in our digital world. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account. This step is important because it ensures you're entering the meeting with your proper identity and settings. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right panel of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Join. Click on this button to begin the process of entering your meeting. This is the gateway to accessing any Zoom meeting, whether it's scheduled on your calendar or you're joining through a direct link. Next, you'll see a field appear where you need to enter either the meeting ID or the personal link name. The meeting ID is typically a series of numbers provided by the meeting host, while a personal link name is a custom URL that's easier to remember. Type in whichever one you have and then click the Join button. This tells Zoom which specific meeting you're trying to access out of the thousands happening simultaneously. At this point, a pop-up may appear at the top of your page. If prompted, you'll need to allow permission by checking the box that appears. This authorization is necessary for Zoom to function properly within your browser and ensures that all features work as intended. Don't skip this step, as it's crucial for a smooth meeting experience. Following that, you'll likely be prompted to allow camera and microphone access. These permissions enable other meeting participants to see and hear you during the call. Click Allow when these permission requests appear. Your browser needs explicit permission to share your audio and video with the Zoom platform, which is why this step exists as a security measure. Finally, once all permissions are granted and you're ready to enter, click Start. This action will launch you into the meeting room where you can see other participants and begin interacting. You've now successfully joined your Zoom meeting and are ready to participate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.